Hey everybody, what's going on? Here's a quick little tip for you when dealing with transmission parts. So I went and picked up a transmission kit for the transmission I'm building, the disaster transmission, and kind of ran into a problem. So let me kind of walk you through the process and show you what's going on. Most of your transmission shops, they buy this big package of all your seals and gaskets and whatnot. I've actually been into this because I'm working on it, but they come kind of as a kit. And a lot of times they'll procure steels and frictions and things like that, and they'll just buy a lot of them in bulk and they'll just build their own kit. So anyway, what happened to me was I went in to purchase this kit, and I usually ask for some extra forward steels because I modify my transmissions that way. So here's all the forward and direct steels that they gave me. The problem is they're all direct steels. They're all 90 thousandths thick steels. So I have no forward steels that came in this kit. So kind of a heads up, just kind of keep an eye on what you end up getting in your transmission kits. But as you can kind of see, there's a little bit of a difference. This is an actual forward that I went and procured from another transmission supply place. It's about a 78 thousandths thick versus the 90 thousandths thick one for the directs, which the problem is if you put direct steels in a forward drum, you're going to run out of room. You're about 60 thousandths too tall, and that's going to cause transmission issues. So anyway, when procuring a kit that they kind of put these things together, just double check your stuff. Make sure you've got enough clutches and enough steels and everything like that. Like I said, most of the time these kits right here are pretty dead on. I've never run into an issue with them. Sometimes they have a little bit different stuff in them, but anyway, just kind of food for thought. When putting something together like that, just cover your bases, because the last thing you want to do is be trying to put your transmission together, realizing you have the wrong parts, and then you have to wait for the next available day to get down there and get your parts. So anyway, I hope this helps out. Y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you later.